Morning, boys. We're getting off about 2 hours of sleep right now. I had the boys over yesterday. We got a goal in mind today. I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but our beloved shop GLD watch. Bought it many years ago. Had many of them. Gave a lot of them away. I keep saying that because I think that's really sick. I was giving away like $1,300 items. You know what I mean? Also regretting not keeping one. But this thing's busted. Said yesterday, last video was my bad that I was in the fucking hot tub with it, bro. I thought it would last. They said it was waterproof. Apparently no water sports. I don't know if that was a sport, but I guess it's a sport. So that's effed up. This is day number 2 of seeing if Shop GLD will replace it. I didn't send them the video. They don't need to replace it. But, you know, this is also, once again, I said last video, it's kind of a guilt trip to them. I did give them a lot of views over the years, so maybe they'll throw me a bone. Until then, though, we're about to go to the shop that opened today. The, what's it called? The jewelry shop. Little old man runs it. I like supporting him. I was gonna go yesterday, but they were closed. So we're gonna go see how much it costs to get the damn water out of this thing. Something we don't need to document, but I thought I would anyway. You know what I mean? It's about all it is, boys. Back in action, we're back in action. Excuse me. You haven't seen a little fat dude running around, have you? What? A little fat dude? My brother, I'm looking for him. Just a tubby piece of shit, no? Alright, thanks, man. Probably at McDonald's or something. What an idiot. Thank you. Well, continue to look, boys. It's been about 6 years. Still haven't found him. He might be dead. I was reminiscing on a story. I don't know if I actually ever told it on the channel. It was my old car. I was filming while driving one time, but I had it up here. I think it's actually quite illegal, maybe. Anyway, I remember I was filming somewhere I shouldn't have been. People ask, actually, just on a side note, why I don't go to malls anymore and do all that stuff. I'm banned from everyone, bro. There's proof online of them telling me so. It sucks. I just try to buy clothing, bro, but I can't. Maybe I could get away with it now. Or they might even frickin' arrest me because it wasn't funny. Anyway, I was filming somewhere I shouldn't have. Somebody chased me out. I ran into the car and I panicked. And where I was at, there was a Safeway. It's like a big grocery store in Canada. I peeled out the car, bro, and just smoked the side of Safeway, man. My whole car was effed. I don't think I put it on video. I think I kept it a secret. I won't say what Safeway. The building wasn't damaged whatsoever. Anyway, we have a new one now. It's all good. I was just thinking back at the good old days of actually filming in the car, you know what I mean? I haven't done this in a little while. However, I think it's kind of fun. We're almost here, boys. I'll tell you how much this watch is going to take to repair. I can't go in and record, unfortunately, because I don't think he likes it. I think I tried there one time, or asked him one time. He wasn't really down with it. Like I say, he's a nice old man, so I wanna respect him and give him my money. Video diary documentary scene 3. Boys, we're here. Like I say, this is what's going on with the watch. Now, it wasn't working to begin with. It stopped working. I was still wearing it. It's shiny. You can't really tell that it's not ticking. Although at the time, I probably should have taken it back to Shop GLD because I think that would have hit the warranty, not this. So I'm just gonna see how much it costs to get the water out. And if it's a lot of money, I'm just gonna wait a little longer and give Shop GLD a little bit more time. I don't know how they're gonna find this series. I damn well ain't showing it to them. I'm a little embarrassed, to be honest. Dumbass word in a goddamn hot tub. We ain't giving them shit. On second thought, boys, I'm just gonna record this little transaction on my phone. I won't show a shop or anything out of respect for the dude, but probably just put it down and give you guys a nice picture to look at or something, you know? How's it going, man?
Hello.
Long time no see. I've got this watch right here. I got some water damage in it. I was just wondering how much you might charge to take it apart and maybe get the water out. It's fake. It's not.
I know, rusty inside already.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
It's rusty already because
It's not looking too hot. I had it in a hot tub like an idiot, but.
no, because the crown broken.
Oh yeah, I lost that piece. Just wondering if you could like get the water out. And the whole thing's not working, but you don't even need to fix it.
Oh, just take the water out.
Yeah, that'd be fine. Really? Cool, man. That'd be awesome. What's the price on that?
Actually, just take the water out now. It's $20.
That's it, man. Ah, you're a
But
gem.
I don't quit. Just take the water out.
Okay, cool. Thank you, man.
This one, a lot of water there.
Yeah, no, I shouldn't have done that. Wow, so you got it out just like that. Beautiful. Look at that, man. That's a quick fix. All right, boys, out of the shop. Took all of like 2 minutes, maybe like 5 minutes. It sucks. I recorded more on my phone actually. He gave me permission. He's a sweet dude. I'm pissed. I just forgot to turn on the button, or I guess it turned it on like on my phone, and then I turned it off accidentally, I guess, which sucks. I wanted you guys to hear the dude. Anyway, good news. It's out. It's still a little rusty. He said it might be about $100 to repair. You got to get the pieces and stuff like that. So I'm gonna sit on that one. We might come back at day 2 until Shop GLD notices. All I need is a no from him. You know what I mean? Like, but once again, I don't know how they're gonna see these videos, and I will not send them to them. It looks a lot better. The water's out. You know, this is something I might wear at night now. Only at night, specifically at night where there's no lights. You ain't gonna see the rust in it and the ticker not working. But this is a good step, man. I think we did well here. Boys, I'm gonna call it off now. About to head into the grocery store. I'm about to barbecue some chicken or something, you know? Appreciate you guys. Love you. Quick update, boys. About to edit this video. It's getting a little foggy. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe we let some air in. It might be worse. It might be a lot worse. I don't know if you can see there. It's just like fogging up. I don't know. On to the next day though. See ya. It'll be a fun experience, you know?